We don't want to wait any longer. Starting off with this remarkable child actor who has made a huge impact in the blockbuster film Firefly. Let us all welcome the most popular child performer of the year, Ewan Mikael.
Presenting the trophy for the Guillermo Foundation is Liam Grayson Mendoza and Gabriel Antonio Sergio.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Kamusta po kayo?
Madami naman po po.
Nagpapasalamat po ako sa Guillermo.
Tayo mong bawal po ang
Kinilala po ako ngayong gabi. Nagpapasalamat din po ako sa GMA Network. Nagpapasalamat din po ako sa Sparkle. At syempre po sa Firefly family. At syempre po hindi ko makakalimutan. Nagpapasalamat din po ako kay Ama. Happy Mother's Day po sa inyong lahat, mga nanay. At Happy Mother's Day din po sa nanay ko, si Mama. Ito po ang regalo sa kanya. Maraming salamat po.
Our next three awards are for the creative team behind 2023's phenomenal movie, Rewind. And first of these three is the award for Most Popular Film Producer of the Year. Congratulations, because you have made history for Rewind. Star Cinema, APT Entertainment, and Agosto Dos.
Presenting the trophy for the Guillermo Foundation is Dr. Inez Samaniego.
Maraming salamat Guillermo Mendoza Foundation for this recognition. Na-miss namin kayo and welcome back. 3 years talaga inantay din namin ulit na magkaroon ng ganitong recognition. But most of all, siguro, yung malaking pasasalamat talaga namin goes to the moviegoers. Maraming salamat sa mga Pilipino po at around the world na nanood po ng Rewind. Hindi po namin inakala na after the pandemic magkakaroon pa po ng ganitong hit. But it's first that maraming salamat po.
The painful lines, the romantic and unexpected twists. I am sure most of us cried when watching this movie. At lahat kayo ay di pa rin naka-move on. Of course, the next awardee is truly at fault for all of this. The most popular screenwriter of the year, the one and only Enrico Santos.
Presenting the trophy for the Guillermo Foundation is Engineer Arthur Samaniego.
Go ahead, sir.
Maraming salamat po sa Guillermo Mendoza. Welcome back after the hiatus. Thank you very much. Siyempre, sa Producer of the Year po, Star Cinema, Agosto Dos, and APP for the opportunity of writing Rewind. We waited 3 years for it during the pandemic, pero mukha pong meant to be na mangyari ngayon when we all needed the message most. And we waited for Dongyan for 3 years as well. And tulad po ng gusto ng Diyos, nangyari ang dapat nangyari. Thank you very much to ABS-CBN, to the producer, the director May Cruz, And I'd like to dedicate this since Mother's Day to my mother who's 88 years old that is watching now. And of course, we offer it up to God kung saan po ginagawa lahat ng aming kwento at artista sa aming pelikula. Maraming salamat po.
Congratulations, Mr. Rico Santos. The movie Rewind has made our next awardee belong to the elite list of phenomenal directors, and I absolutely agree. Let us make way for the most popular film director of the year, Mrs. May Cruz Alvion.
Presenting the trophy for the Guillermo Foundation is Dr. Mylene Mendoza.
We love you, Direk! Love you, Direk!
Congrats, Direk!
Surreal to be here. Kasi syempre nung ginawa namin itong pelikulang to, gusto lang namin magkwento ng magandang kwento. Kaya nagpapasalamat ako kay Marizel Martinez for offering this project to me. Thank you very much, Enrico Santos, for writing this beautiful story. Thank you to our producers, Inang Olivia Lamasan, for also offering this project to me, and for the support and encouragement, of course, Chris Casmen. And thank you sa mga producers natin na APT, at Agosto Dos and Star Cinema. Salamat sa Guillermo Mendoza Memorial Scholarship Foundation sa pagkilala sa aming pelikula at sa karangalang ito. This is even more meaningful because after 3 years na nawala kayo, ibig sabihin ay nanunumbalik ang pagkabuhay ng pelikulang Pilipino. Maraming salamat sa pagtangkilik ng manonood sa ating pelikula, hindi lang sa aming pelikula, kundi sa lahat ng pelikula ng MMFF. Maraming salamat po at sana magpatuloy pa ito. I share this award also to the creative team, to our staff and crew. Hindi ko po ito magagawa kundi dahil sa kanila. And of course, my family, I offer this to my mom also. Happy Mother's Day to my dad. And syempre to my loving husband for being so supportive. Hindi ako magiging director if not for the love and support of my husband. And to my son, thank you also for being understanding and patient dahil nawawala akong madalas. And lastly, thank you, Lord. Thank you for using us as a vessel, for giving us this honor and this opportunity and this privilege to tell your stories to our films. Thank you so much.
Hey, come on.